special message for clothing brand owners on Shopify. If you're a clothing brand owner aiming to elevate your brand and attract more fashion enthusiasts, we've got you covered. Our specialized Shopify services include store creation, problem solving, and top-notch design and development. Let's transform our online presence and captivate your audience together. Thrilled to share that we've been honored with the Indo Global Entrepreneurship Award by Business Connect magazine for our dedicated Shopify services. To all Shopify clothing brand owners, thank you for inspiring us. Whether it's seamless store creation or solving any issues you may encounter, our designing and development expertise is here to elevate your brand. Cheers to continued success together. Attention clothing brand owners, thrive with our Shopify expertise. From store creation to problem solving, we've got your design and development needs covered. Let's elevate your brand together. Numerous clothing brand owners believe they truly understand their target niche audience, but the reality may be quite different. What's a misconception your target audience holds about your fashion brand that needs to be clarified? I'm thrilled to present our services in designing and development to transform your clothing brand and help you to achieve your goals. 1. Shopify store creation. In the bustling world of e-commerce, your store is your identity. Our Shopify experts craft visually stunning and highly functional stores that not only represent your brand, but also drive sales. 2. Design and development excellence. Design matters. Development matters. Your brand deserves excellence. Our design and development team brings your vision to life, creating a unique and engaging Shopify store that stands out in the crowded digital landscape. 3. Problem-solving mastery. Running into roadblocks with your Shopify store? Fear not. Our team is equipped with problem-solving mastery. Any challenge you face, we have the expertise to troubleshoot and optimize your store for peak performance. 4. Shopify support excellence. The journey doesn't end with the launch. Our Shopify support team is here for you, ensuring that your store continues to operate seamlessly, fast, efficient, and always ready to assist. 5. Personalized Shopify services. Every Shopify store is unique, and so are our services. We tailor our solutions to meet your specific needs. Whether it's a design overhaul, feature enhancement, or custom development, we're here to make it happen. Ready to revolutionize your clothing brand's online presence? With Midbrains technology, your creative vision transforms into a digital reality. Elevate your brand, captivate your audience, and watch your sales soar. To schedule a personalized consultation with our experts and take the first step towards and book a paid call today. Don't wait, take action now. Let's book a call with our expert.